So on this one, simplify, right? All right, so again, please don't worry about everything all together. Just focus on each of the bases on their own separately. So I'm going to start, I just started on the left. So I've got u to the power of negative 6 over u to the power of 3. There we go. So that's going to be u to the power of negative 6 minus 3. Now, even though that's minus 3, it's okay that it is. I end up with u to the power of negative 9. And what this tells me is that in this fraction, you would have had u to the power of negative 9 on the top, but we don't want negative exponents, so just put it in the denominator. Now, some of you may have noticed that from here, you would have just known to put it there. Some of you may need to put it there and then flip it to the bottom. It doesn't matter if you feel that skilled, feel free to do it. But if you don't, put it in the numerator and then flip it, okay? Now, that's just the base u's. Now, here's something else that we see from time to time. Just, again, this is all strategy-based, so choose the strategy you like the best, the method you like the best, and then go from there. But some students, instead of going from here down here, they like to get rid of the negatives first, and in that case, they would have had 1 over u to the power of 3 times u to the power of 6. And then you would have seen you have gotten 1 over u to the power of 9, right, which is what this is right here. I'm just not showing the 1. I don't know if I'm going to need it, but I'm not going to show it yet, okay? So just understand you can go down and then here, or you can go to the right and then down here. Again, just as long as you get to the same end is really all that matters there. Now that I've done the u's, let's look at the r's. So I got r to the power of 7 over r to the power of negative 8. Now again, it doesn't matter what you do. You can say, well, I'm going to take that r to the power of negative 8 and then put it on the top, right? You'd have r to the power of 7 times r to the power of positive 8 and go from there. Or you can use the rule, which would be down here, which is r to the power of 7. Again, they're dividing the bases, so we're going to subtract. But again, this is a negative 8. Subtract negative 8. I'll put parentheses around there. Whichever method you use, you need to get r to the power of positive 15. Now, that's a positive 15, so that's r to the power of 15 in the top. Again, if it were a negative 15, then it eventually needs to end up in the denominator, in the bottom. But it's positive, so keep it in the top. So that's the r's. Now let's look at the j's. I got j, I'll show to the power of 1 over j to the power of 4. So again, I'll just go to the rule on this one, j to the power of 1 minus 4, which would be j to the power of negative 3. Now, whatever you get usually goes on the top, like we've seen before. So that j to the power of negative 3, you could put it here, but on the assignment, they don't want any negative exponents. So make sure you do flip that into the denominator, j to the power of 3 there. So cleaning this up. I don't see anything else I can do with this. I have all positive exponents. If I had any negatives, I'd flip it. But I don't, and I don't see anything I can simplify from here, so it's just done. The worst thing you can do here is do negative 6 plus 7, and then you get urj to the power of 1, I guess, or negative 42. I don't know how. There's lots of different mistakes that are made here. They're not so common, but they do happen from time to time. Again, just focus on your original exponent rules like we saw in the first few slides, and then that works out. It should work out pretty good.